Try to discipline a wild dog and see what happens. You're going to get bit. If you have a wild dog in a pack of dogs that are not so wild, you have to separate the wild dog. It takes a little bit more time to train them, but that's not possible. What we've been doing in this country is just lowering the curve, lower and lower and lower, to pass these wonderful students, because we know we wouldn't want to get them upset to think that they were stupid. So rather than the rest of the class excelling and testing themselves, let's just lower the whole damn curve.
You are tuned in to the Republic Broadcasting Network. Visit our website by going to republicbroadcasting.org.
I'm getting older and noticing that my body just doesn't work as well as it used to. So I like to keep fit as possible by hitting the gym a few times a week. Recently, I started having a nagging bicep pain, and it got so bad I couldn't even lift the weights. When I was complaining about it to a friend, he told me about angiogram. He said chelation helps remove toxins, heavy metals, and cholesterol in veins and arteries that may cause blockages. You know, after just 1 week of taking angiogram, the pain was gone, and now I'm back in the gym full strength. Scientific research proves the active ingredient in angiogram has superior oral chelation action that helps promote cardiovascular health. So to learn more, go to angioprim.com. That's ANGIOPRIM.com, or talk to a trained consultant. Call Angioprim toll-free at 877-882-7221. You'll feel better, more active. Call 877-882-7221, or go to the website angioprim.com.
Fighting independent voices that counter this avalanche is becoming impossible. With the endless corruption running hand in the other government, independent voices are making more than ever to battle the offensive against our freedoms and liberties. As a listener of RBN, no one understands this concept better than me. Now it's up to you to do your part. The time has come to take action and begin broadcasting the truth to hundreds of thousands of people every month. Sound impossible? Quite the contrary. With public slogans from LibertyStakers.com, you can reach countless sleeping Americans unaware that they live in a real-life wonderland. LibertyStakers.com has a huge inventory of political bumper stickers and messages that reflect the truth about our government, politicians, and the future of America. With so many in stock, here's one perfect for you. Visit us today at LibertyStakers.com. Again, that's LibertyStakers.com. Do your part. Your voice is important.
Many people write us about their experience with Extendable. Allow me to read you some from Amazon.com.